In 2026, freelancing has changed a lot because of rising competition and advancement of AI. So, in order to stay ahead in this work, you need to adapt the changes which is happening in the freelancing market. So, for you, here are the best freelancing skills in 2026, which will help you to earn money from freelancing. I am going to divide these skills into four categories, which are content creation, marketing, service, and AI based. I divided it in categories so you can get a broad picture of freelancing skills. And after that, I'm going to give you some tips and lessons on how to start freelancing in the correct way. So the first category is content creation. If you are interested in video making, image generation, or storytelling, then this category is for you. And this includes video editors, UGC, user generated content, video clipping, thumbnail design, copywriting, motion graphics, and ad video creation. I am expecting you guys know few of them, and if you know how to use AI, then you will make a lot of money from this category. Because as you know, content creation category is growing rapidly and the demand of video editing, copywriting, storytelling, thumbnail design is rising rapidly and it will keep growing. And if you invest your time in learning AI, on learning how to create videos, ads and all, using it, then believe me, finding clients will be not hard for you. And I will keep repeating this that even if you don't know anything about AI right now, you can start learning it from today if you want to do freelancing seriously. I will talk more about it in the last part of the video. Moving on the second category, which is marketing. If you want to help business owners in marketing, then this category will suit you. Marketing includes running paid ads, social media marketing, and email marketing. Now it is a little complex category, but it will pay you a good amount. If you are interested in this niche, then you can grow your freelancing journey into building a whole model of agency. And you probably know how much agency owners are earning right now. It has low competition compared to content creation category, but it would require some efforts. This one is also a booming market as brands and influencers are constantly hiring social media managers which can handle their account, emails and all. And as everyone knows, running ads is an evergreen niche. I'm sorry for not explaining all these because this video is all about freelancing skills. If I do explain one by one, video will be so long. You can pick one in which you are interested in. Then you can do a deep research on Claude or ChatGPT and you can also watch YouTube videos around it. You will get a lot more clarity on it. Third category is service-based niche. Now, before you ask questions about this category, I'm telling you that it is not very common, but its demand is growing. So it's my work to make you aware about this skill. So the first one is virtual assistant, also known as VA. Simply, virtual assistant is your online helper. Think of a virtual assistant as a personal helper, but online. Big creators and business owners are busy. They don't have time for small tasks like replying to emails, scheduling to meetings, organizing files and all. So they hire someone to do these basic things. That person is called a virtual assistant. This is growing in 2026 because more people are working online now. And the more it grows, the more they need help. The second is community manager, which is also known as online host. Now imagine a creator have thousands of followers, messages, DMs, comments on different apps. They can't reply to everyone, so they hire someone to do it. They hire a person which can reply to comment, talk to the followers and manage their audience. That person is called community manager. Your work is basically to be a bridge between the brand and the audience. Why this is in demand? Because people don't follow brands anymore. They follow people they feel connected to. So businesses need someone who can make their audience feel seen or heard. Simple way to remember, virtual assistant help with tasks, community manager help with people. These skills are very famous in foreign countries and these are also coming in India. And these are also not beginner level skills, so you need to have some knowledge in social media also. And a short note, you don't need to start with these kind of skills when you're just starting out. Start with some simple skills like social media management, or email marketing, pick something easier to start. Then you can scale to advanced skills as you keep learning and growing. You don't need to pick hard skills when you're just starting out. And the last category is AI and tech skills. Now this is getting a very vast category as AI is being included in all of those category skills. That's why I kept it separately to tell you the importance of AI. You can see the list where AI is involved in all these kind of skills. As AI is getting integrated in everything now, including it in your workflow will make your work a lot more easier and faster. Now, I don't want you to get confused, but you need to know all about freelancing. So I gave you this complete picture of it. So the main tips I need to give you before you can even touch those skills. First, pick the skill which you can actually do, not the one which will pay you more or not the one which someone suggests you. Because it is so important to pick a skill within which you are really interested in learning or which you can do long period of time without getting burnout. So pick your skill wisely. The second point is start learning from the base level of that skill. Don't try to master it at once because it will take you time to even learn the base level of that skill. You need to invest your time in learning and improving. This is not a joke if you want to earn money from freelancing in 2026. Once you learn the basics, you can create portfolio and make your sample projects and show it in your portfolio, which will act as a proof that you know what you are doing. And after that, you will keep learning and improving the skill at the advanced level, but it will not happen in 1 month or 2 months. It needs time and consistent effort. So I covered majority of the things in this video. If you find anything helpful, make sure to like the video. And I keep making these kind of videos related to side hustles and showing the reality of making money online. So make sure to subscribe if you want to stay updated. And also tell me which skill you would like to pick in the comment section. And if you want to get more clarity on how to start freelancing without experience, you can check out this video. And I will see you in the next one.